Changing the hosting of a WordPress website involves several steps to ensure a smooth transition without data loss. Here's a general guide. Backup your website. Use a WordPress backup plugin or your hosting control panel to create a full backup of your website files and database. Choose new hosting provider. Select a new hosting provider that meets your requirements for performance, support, and budget. Set up a new hosting account. Sign up for a hosting plan with the new provider. They may offer a migration service or tools to help with the process. Transfer website files. Download your website files from the old hosting server using FTP or File Manager. Upload these files to the new hosting server. Export and import database. Export your WordPress database from the old hosting server. Create a new database on the new hosting server and import the database backup. Update domain settings. Update your domain's DNS settings to point to the new hosting server. This step ensures visitors are directed to your website on the new hosting provider. Test and verify. Once the migration is complete, test your website thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected. Verify that all pages, posts, images, and functionality are intact. Change name servers. If you're changing domain registers as well, update the name servers to point to the new hosting provider. Monitor for downtime. Keep an eye on your website for a few days after migration to address any potential issues or performance concerns.